Hi, I'm Jerry. Welcome to ComNow. Today, I'll show you the unboxing video of the LS600. This might be the shortest unboxing video. Now we can go to work. Do you want to see more details? Today, I'll show you the unboxing video of the LS600. This is the LS600 main unit, the core of this system. It's highly integrated. The SLAM, GNSS antenna, and cameras. 2 standard batteries. Each battery supports up to 90 minutes of continuous use and 30 minutes fast charging. Base kit for positioning the instrument and recording control points accurately. Type A to Type C cable, 1 meter. For data transmission from the main unit, the speed is up to 400 megabytes per second. This is the P6 tablet for option, which can support the ScanMaster software. Fast charger and charger cable, used for charging the batteries efficiently. Screwdriver kit, for assembling or disassembling the A-shaped bracket. A-shaped bracket designed to connect the main unit to external accessories such as a backpack kit, polishing cloth, for cleaning the host reader lens. Circular reflective targets used for marking specific points to be scanned. Tablet bracket for securely holding the P6 tablet on a mobile phone. Type C to Type C cable, 15 cm, used for wired connection between the LS600 and the P6 tablet or mobile phone. This is a backpack kit, which can make the work more convenient and lightweight. This is the LS600, a lightweight, handheld, leader scanner designed for fast, high-precision 3D data collection. Its high level of integration makes the workflow simpler and more efficient, while ensuring the results are more reliable and trustworthy. Whether you are doing surveying, mining, foresting, or building digital twins, the LS600 is your go-to scanner for efficiency and accuracy.